Hello and welcome to another simple tech review. Today we'll be having a look at the 70Mai M500 dash camera. The M500 is 70Mai's latest and most innovative dash cam released to date. It records at 1944p resolution, can be used with voice commands, has 64 GB of integrated recording storage, and it comes with GPS and driver assistance settings. Let's begin with the unboxing. We first have an envelope that contains 2 windshield stickers for mounting the camera and the user manual. Next, we have the compact M500 dash camera itself. Next is the adjustable windshield mount. We then have the lighter socket power plug with 2 USB ports, one for the camera and a second one for charging your devices. We then have the USB-C extension to power the camera. Then there's one double-sided tape pad, and finally a plastic pry tool to help route the cable. You can also get the optional 70Mai hardwire kit to connect the camera to your fuse box, which will allow the camera to do 24/7 security monitoring for your vehicle. Having a closer look at the camera, on the front we have the lens that records f2.0 HDR video up to a resolution of 2592 by 1944 with a 170-degree field of view. On the right, we have the power and function button and the indicator light. On the left is a USB-C power port, and on the back, a microphone, the camera's information, and grills for ventilation and the speaker. Since the M500 camera does not have a screen, you can control all of the settings from the mobile app. Please go to your app store and install the 70Mai app. Then, on your phone, turn on Bluetooth and open the app. The camera should be detected by Bluetooth. Select it from the list and you will then be prompted to press the power button once to confirm the selection. Then, you can turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot by pressing the power button on the camera once and connect to the 70Mai Wi-Fi on your phone. You will then have access to a live view of the camera that you can use to place it and get the best view possible. To install the camera, place it in the mount by aligning the 2 arrows and sliding the camera into the mount. Then peel the mount sticker and you can either place it directly to the windshield or use one of the 2 mount stickers that can help with placement and are easier to remove. Once you have the camera in place, you can power it either with the included USB cable or the optional hardwire kit, and then tuck the power cable through the vehicle's headliner so that it is out of the way. After this, you are ready to start recording as soon as you turn on your vehicle, and you can also enter into the settings. From the app's main page, you can see the live view and 2 buttons at the bottom. The album button will show you past recordings that the camera has in its internal memory. You can then view them or save them to your phone. And the take a photo button does exactly that and saves a picture of what the camera sees. Going into the camera settings, you can change the recording resolution and aspect ratio, change the recording clip duration, turn the parking monitor on, set the collision sensitivity, record a time-lapse video, enable HDR, enable or remove the watermarks, turn voice commands on, mute the camera's microphone, enable the advanced driver assistance settings, change the Wi-Fi hotspot settings, the date and time, and the speed units. The M500 comes with 64 GB of integrated eMMC storage, which will get you going right out of the box and should be more durable in the long run compared to regular microSD cards. The default recording resolution is 2592 by 1944, which gives great clarity and an aspect ratio of 4:3. But you can also record in additional video resolutions like 1080p with a 16:9 ratio if you prefer. The camera can use basic voice commands to control some features by saying the following. It can record in HDR, which will give the video more even image tones when driving through dark areas or facing direct sunlight. The integrated GPS will record location data along with the video, so you can review the area where the vehicle was driven on a map while using the app. And the camera also comes with advanced driver assistance systems that warn you of events such as proximity to vehicles, pedestrians and riders, as well as lane departure and vehicle movement when stopped at a red light or traffic. In conclusion, the 70Mai M500 is a low-profile and stealthy camera that records pretty crisp day or night video with its internal storage. It can be controlled with voice commands and comes packed with many smart features to give you peace of mind during your driving journeys. If you'd like to check out the 70Mai M500, don't forget to click on the link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing so we can bring you more. Up next are the sample recording clips. I'll see you again on our next review.